Well, as you can see, it's been a snowstorm here on the Croix Blanche, and we've just had about 5 centimeters of snow. But still, the temperature is not very low. I mean, the lakes are not frozen. So we are here today to feed the new stock that we've put in the stock pond during the fall. We have about now in the stock pond between 55 and 60 carp, young fish, around 2-3 years old, between starting from 7 to 8 kilos and up. We use wheat for the winter because it's light food, it's easy to digest. But before it was very cold, we were using also pellets. Combined with wheat, so that it's a little bit more nourishing. Well, we want to help them go through the winter, and so that they don't look for food, because it's obviously a new lake for them, new venue, so they're not used to that, and we want them to also to grow a little bit, if possible, before the new season. 2010, and we go here every day just to feed them, and it's also the opportunity for us just to have a little tour on this beautiful site here, as you can see today.